love me. I know my Kermit loves me. You know you love me. You love me, Kermit? Baby Kermit. Baby Kermit. Kermit. Love ako ng baby Kerms. Na, love kita. Mag-exercise ka na. Bakit ano sinusumbong mo? What are you trying to tell me? You love me? Love me? You love me, Kerm? Baby Kerm? Gusto mo lang ng scratch scratch, 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 scratch. Naku, awa naman yung head mo, sugat na, may wound. Ano, let's exercise. Teka lang, tapusin ko lang to. Nagpapahilot eh. Ikaw ang aming next mission eh. Sorry, Kermit. Aray ko naman, dinadumihan mo naman ako. Hindi bulati yan. Ugat ko yan. It's not bulati. Tatawag ka na ni Chichi. Massage and smell. Massage and smell. Massage and smell. Massage and smell. Look at you. May sugat na itong batok mo. May wound. Massage and smell. 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 Massage, massage. Massage, massage. Massage the baby. Massage, massage the baby. Massage the baby. Massage, smell, and eat. And eat. Good job, eat. Love you, baby. I love my Kermit. 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 Kermit, Kermit, Kermit. I love my Kermit. Hindi ka na matakot. Mag-exercise na kami, ha? Sayang, sarap pa naman labutsingin. Bilog na bilog, eh.